Are wondering if we can make and receive calls on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 and also the 4 Pro edition. So yep, I have some great news. On this watch we have speaker and microphone, so yep, we can actually pick up calls. So let me call myself, and essentially this is what it looks like. So as you see, we can either reject, answer, or also send a quick message. So if you can't pick up the call, so let's pick it up essentially, and this is what it looks like. So again, maybe you can hear, yeah, basically. So if I click over here, I can also mute it, or also I can use my scroll wheel over here to like change the in-call volume over here. So, and if I want to end the call, I can simply click this and job done really. So then, and if you want to call someone, it's actually a bit more complicated, because there is no way how to dial a number basically on this watch, and the only way how to call is someone is if you actually pick one of the contacts basically in your contacts list over there. So we have to go to the Huawei, yeah, basically the health app over here, then over here in the devices. So click this watch over here and click your favorites over here and simply click add here. So your contacts gallery basically will open. You will need to select which contacts we want to add on this watch. So then, and on the watch over here, if we go over here in the contacts, essentially if I press C, so I'm able to actually place a call and see it's making a call essentially. So again, this watch doesn't have internal SIM card, so again you have to have your phone in range to be able to do all of this. And also, at least what's good is we also get call log over here, so you can quickly redial basically the last number. So if someone called you, basically at least that is good. But again, there is no like keypad basically where we can type number and call. I think this really should be changed. I have no idea why they're limiting it so hardcore. Anyway, good luck.